Hello guys, this is again from Ewebcraft. Hope you are doing great. This is very exciting video since Google have launched BERT algorithm. Every SEO, every marketer is talking about it, and we also updated our code of mass page creator, and I'm gonna show you one of the very exciting website, and if it was your website, I'm sure that you would really be very happy. So let me show you some of parts how our mass page is compatible with Google. Let me show you the result of a mass page website which we just created. We just launched 7 days ago, and let me show you the results. So first of all, this is our mass page creator, and that website I created just 7 days ago, which is the repair overhead garage door. And this is an overview. You can see when I launched this website, I launched it on 7th of December. So it is 7th of December and today is 17th of December. So only 10 days ago. In 10 days, you can see that 1036 pages have been crawled. And if I go to site and check Google, there are more pages have been crawled so far. So Google have seen these pages. So let me show you inside how Google is performing this. You can see that this website has star rating and schema. So this is very important to display your rating in search results. Okay, now let me show you that if I see Dallas garage door capacitor, you can see that here is the ad. So when you see any of the ad, it means some people are using the same keyword to display the ads. So look at it. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 ads, and first number in just 10 days. The first number is our mass page creator, and this is after the launch of BERT algorithm of Google. So, and next, look at it. It says garage door broken hinge Dallas, and first ad, second ad, third ad, and then obviously there is a map, and now first position. So our website is on first position, and then garage door roller replacement, and now I'm using the city also. I was using the city before that, and look at the cities. With the city we can have our website here. Okay, so that is the second keyword, and that is the next keyword, garage door weather seal replacement Justin. So weather seal replacement Justin, we are on top. If I do not use garage door, I just use weather seal replacement in Justin. So let's see where we are. Weather seal replacement in Justin. So I think we are not here for weather seal replacement. So let's see the next keyword, weather seal replacement South Lake. Yes, we are on second position. And let's see the Plano opener capacitor replacement Plano. You can see that this is the keyword which is being used, and we are on top. Okay, so capacitor replacement Lancaster, and this is our mass page creator is position second. And now I again show you this mass page creator for door capacitor replacement Lancaster, and it was capacitor replacement, now door capacitor replacement. So this is a variation of the keyword, and you can see it is still on the first number. So let's garage door capacitor replacement Lancaster, first number. So we are again on first number. And garage door capacitor replacement Grapevine. So I changed the city here. You can see that it is still on first number. And now I'm looking at it, garage door replacement Lemon. I just looked for a few cities, so it is again on the first number. So this is our website created. This is the mass pages website. So I'm gonna show you this website here. So it has almost many pages, and all those pages have human written content and very perfect optimized content, and those content is also written for human, not for search engine, because if your contents are written for human, Google is going to give it very good authority, and you have seen that authority in just 10 days. Let me show you one more thing here, which is that is the overview, and that is the, if I see the performance, you can see if I scroll down, here are almost 377 keywords have been crawled, have been read by Google for this website. This is really important to know about how Google is performing. So if you want your smallest website convert into mass pages website for different cities, for different areas where you serve, for different services, so just go for SEO page creator and our mass page creator. You can contact me here and schedule a demo. And here are very interesting comments from my client I would like to share with you. So look at it. So you can read his reviews. I hired Ewebcraft to assist with new website development and from start to finish. Communication was excellent. So he understood our needs and he and his team designed an exceptional website. I cannot be more happy. Thank you very much. So these are the comments from my client I made this website for. If you need your smallest website to convert into biggest mass pages website, this is the right time to convert your website. Do not wait. Just contact with me. I will convert your website into a mass pages website which will target different cities, and it will drive more traffic towards you. Have a good day and have a blessed day. Thank you very much.